Good day and welcome to the ADM Agriculture YouTube channel. Slight deviation away from our normal grain marketing update this week with myself, Freddie Humfrey, Head of Grain Trading here at ADM Agriculture, as we have a quick update on our soon-to-close ADM Agriculture Wheat Fund product, which many of you will have seen in some of the farming press over the last few months being advertised. As I touched on in our YouTube video on the same topic from nearly 2 months ago, this is an exciting risk management product not available with any other UK merchant at this time. Farmer suppliers are inherently exposed to multiple risks when growing crops, and yet price risk and its management is often the last risk that is considered in a strategic manner. Yet price has one of the largest impacts on bottom line in these high risk and price volatility times we currently find ourselves in. I asked you 2 months ago in that video on YouTube if you had a wheat marketing strategy that is fit for purpose in this high yield and price risk environment. A risk managed strategy that minimizes emotional input and continues to function while you're away from your desk. As we have been battered by challenging weather through this autumn wheat drilling campaign, maybe some of those questions around yield, emotions-driven decision-making and fit-for-purpose marketing strategies might just ring a bell in an already difficult season. If this highlights an objective challenge to your wheat marketing decisions, then the ADM Agriculture Wheat Fund product is a product that you really need to be looking at in detail. For further details on the structure, the product differentiation and some of its key objective points that are valuable to you, please see the link to our previous video in the description below. So it's pretty damp out there, with drilling and emergence continuing to be a challenge. However, despite this, we continue to see strong commitments to the crop year 2024 wheat fund as current members recognise the value of the objective marketing product in what is an already testing year. So let's talk about some of that value in pounds and pennies. We're the only UK grain merchant that makes our wheat fund and our pool products outcomes available publicly through our website at admagri.co.uk on the products tab at the top of the page. Why do we do that? Well, we do it because we are confident in our results and we want to demonstrate value of clarity to farmer suppliers without the smoke and mirrors that comes with some of our competitors' products. You will see our key pool and wheat fund products on this publicly available resource dating back all the way to 2008. Now, those pounds and pennies I touched on, the ADM Agriculture Wheat Fund had its first full year of marketing for last crop year, and it performed very well indeed, returning significant value to our supplier members. Last crop year, the wheat fund outperformed the market tracker by in excess of £10 per metric tonne, and it outperformed the average open market farm seller by more than £20 per metric tonne. So let's clarify that point. If you had marketed your wheat in a similar manner to the average farmer seller in the UK, the ADM Agriculture Wheat Fund product would have paid you in excess of an extra £20 per metric tonne over last season on a feed wheat base. That's all after costs. We paid an average feed wheat minimum base price across the entire season of £252.39 per metric tonne, again after costs, and then have paid a minimum base for the harvest period this year that we've just been through of more than £190 per metric tonne, again after costs. We pay strong regional premiums over and above the minimum base for areas with higher than average prices, along with extremely competitive higher grade premiums where applicable, such as the near £65 per metric tonne premium we paid for full spec Group 1s in this year's harvest movement. This season is already challenging, so let the ADM Wheat Fund manage some of those challenges for you. Ring your farm trader or get in touch through the website in order to not miss out on this fantastic marketing opportunity that reduces price risk while adding valuable upside opportunity. The opportunity for new contracts ends at the end of December this year for crop year 2024. Become a price maker and not a price taker with the ADM Agriculture Wheat Fund for crop season 2024. Thank you very much for your time today.